Hi friends, Siddharth again. Once you reach Germany, you may face problems related to internet. Trust me friends, internet here is not that easy to access as it is in India. I'll tell you how I tackled this problem. So friends, in Germany, internet is still not that fast as we are used to in India. People here are still talking in MBs, not GBs as we are used to it. So when I reached Germany in January 2020 in Berlin, I'm talking about Berlin, that's absolutely not a remote area. The internet connection that we had at our house was 4 Mbps. 4 Mbps was the download speed, and upload speed was close to 800 kilobytes per second. That's fact. So and we were 4 people in the house. So you can imagine how hard it was to access internet. You cannot even upload documents on your Gmail if you want to send them across to your recruiters. So what is the possible solution? Before I start friends, I am not a promoter of any product. I am just telling what solution I found is good. You may use your own conscience and do the needful. Now you may think, what about internet through mobile? So friends, internet through mobile is very costly here. Trust me, it can cost you close to 10 euros for 5 GBs of data. 5 GBs is the maximum. It's actually 2 or 3 GB of data only. I am using one mobile operator since last 1.5 years, and recently I received an SMS that they are giving me extra 250 MB, 250 megabytes of data because I am a loyal customer to them. I'll show you on my laptop how internet cost varies with mobile operators. Normally it costs around 10 euros for 3 GB of data, but it keeps on fluctuating all the times. I'm using one mobile operator, I don't want to take their name right here. They were offering 5 GB of data for 5 euros some 6 months back. But nowadays, for last 6 months, they are offering 2 GB of data for 10 euros. So it keeps fluctuating, and you cannot rely on these mobile operators for internet purposes.
Let me show you a comparison between various mobile operators and their internet tariff. So let's go by Leica Mobile. Here we go. So this is the website of Leica Mobile, which is quite popular in Germany. And if I go to what you see here is for new SIMs, 50% off on purchase plus 2 renewals. This is all for new SIMs. So I'll be focusing upon the tariff rates for the existing customers. So if I go there and I check for bundles and data, you see this is the one which is applicable for existing customers, and for 9.99 euro, that is 10 euros, they are giving 2.5 GB of data and 1.5 GB of promo data, so it's close to 4 GB. Well, this is still okay, but I'll say it is still costly, and if you go further it is still costlier. For 15 GB, for 15 euros they are offering 5 GB and maybe like 2 GB. I don't know what exactly this stuff is. So this what you see here is something like a promo offer which keeps coming, and it's not always there. Let me check some other mobile operators. Let's say Vodafone prepaid mobile. Here we go. Yeah. Okay. So you see 3 GB cost 10 euros here also. It's just the same. And if you go further, then it will be even costlier. Let me check some other operators like Aldi Talk. Well, Aldi is a very popular supermarket, but they also offer SIM card and mobile services. So let me go to Aldi Talk. Here it is. And here if you check for prepaid tariff, yeah, 3 GB for 8 euros. That is still acceptable, cheaper than others, but still, even if you make 1 GB video interview with your recruiter, with your potential recruiter, it's going to be at least 1.5 GB. It will take at least 1 or 1.5 GB of data. So with 3 GB of data, you can expect only 1 or maximum 2 such interviews over video call. Let me go to Lidl Talk also. Lidl Talk. Lidl Connect, sorry. Lidl is also a very popular supermarket and they also offer mobile services. And here if you see data and tariff. Okay. So they are offering 750 MB megabytes of data for 3 euros and 3 GB for 7 euros. So this is definitely cheaper than others, but still for your purpose of job hunt, this may not be a very good option. Okay, now I would like to show you what about the Vodafone HomeSpot. Well, you see here, there are many operators who are offering HomeSpot services, Vodafone GigaCube, O2 HomeSpot, Telecom HomeSpot, and I mean, it depends on their tariff and from time to time they keep changing. But I strongly suggest when you're searching for internet, please search for HomeSpot or hotspot services as well.
So one possible solution that you may find is home spots. Now what exactly this home spot or hotspot is? So friends, in most of the cases, the routers that are used in households emit two type of Wi-Fi signals. One of them is the one which is personalized and user has the username and password for it. And the other is a home spot or a hotspot. Now it could be from Vodafone, it could be from Telecom, O2, any mobile operator. So this HomeSpot is so you need to buy a subscription from these operators, which normally cost 10 euros for one username. Now 10 euros itself is a big amount, but there is a workaround for this. In case if you know any of your relatives or friends in Germany who use Vodafone or any other product like this, there are chances that they will be given an optional service for HomeSpot which cost 5 euros for 3 usernames. That means for 5 euros, 3 people can use HomeSpot services separately. Now this option is pretty good because what happens, HomeSpot is a kind of a Wi-Fi signal which is radiated from every router, and there could be tens and thousands of routers around your locality or wherever you go in Germany. So there are a lot of chances that you will get a HomeSpot around wherever you go in Germany, and the speed is also quite good. It's close to 10 Mbps, and upload speed is also quite good. It's close to 4 Mbps. This is one solution that I found is good for you guys. Apart from this, there are free Wi-Fi signals which are available on stations, on shopping malls, on libraries. But again, these all are public Wi-Fis and your confidentiality and secrecy of your data transfer may be at risk using them. So they are definitely not suggested when you are using it for your personal data or for your banking purposes. So this was all about today's friends. In case if you find this video valuable and you learned something out of it, please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you and bye-bye.